Welcome to SSS Method Tips. In these videos, we will answer questions that our students ask us about presentations or speaking in general. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get a notification when we have new videos. Also, if you have a question to ask us, please post a comment below. Or you can chat to us directly on our website, sssmethod.com, or email us at support@sssmethod.com with your question. If we like it, we might make a video about it and post it here. A student told us that she wanted to know more about fluff. That's a great question. At home, you have pillows on your bed, maybe on a sofa. Sometimes when you want to make the bed or the sofa look nicer, you do like this to make the pillow look bigger and more comfortable. This is called fluffing your pillow, to make it look bigger when it has the same material inside of it. In speaking and writing, fluff is extra information that is not useful for your presentation or report. I will give you some examples of fluff in this video. First, too much information. If you work in a company, I know you have seen presentations that are very long. Did you ever see a presentation that had over 100 PowerPoint slides? I have. Here's a secret. Those presentations are never interesting. Most people are bored, and the presenter usually just reads directly from the slide because they spent all their time writing the slides and not preparing their spoken presentation. In English, we have an expression, less is more. This means you should focus on your important points and not make your audience bored. If you focus on only the important points, people will be interested and they will listen. I like this version of the expression better. More is not more. More is boring. Many people think that if they put everything they know in their presentation, people will be interested. But remember, presentations are not about all the details. Presentations are about important points. If you want your audience to know all the details, write a report and give it to them as handouts. Don't just speak every single piece of information. People will fall asleep. Second, there is irrelevant information. Irrelevant means that it is not useful for your topic at all. It is not part of your main presentation. Sometimes people will tell the audience a lot about themselves, like a biography, or they will tell the audience about their company or department when the people in the audience are all employees of the company already. They do this because they have a specific time limit, for example, 20 minutes, but they want to fill their time so they don't finish early. This is not a good idea. Your audience will get bored and they will stop listening to you. Remember, in our course, we have a lesson on time management. If you need to speak for longer, make some extra time for questions and answers, or control your pace of speaking. Speak more slowly. But here's a secret about business presentations. If you can deliver your important information that you need to talk about in your presentation, shorter is usually okay. Third, too much background information. Sometimes people from different non-English speaking cultures do presentations in a different way. They want to give all of the background supporting information before they talk about their main point. But remember, English, especially business English, is more direct. English-speaking business people want to know the important information first. The background information and details can come after the main point. This is why in our presentation format at SSS Method, we talk about the purpose and the topic at the very beginning. So the important thing to remember about background information is it's usually a good idea to not include too much in your presentation, but be prepared. If your audience has high-level managers or executives, remember your time limit, focus on the important information, but have the extra details available if they ask for them. Maybe you can have extra PowerPoint slides at the end of the presentation with extra details. They might ask you during the Q&A. Or you can have handouts ready to give to them if they want more details. If you try to put all the details in your main presentation, you will go back to the first example of fluff, too much information. I hope that helps you understand more about fluff in a presentation. Thanks for watching this video on our YouTube channel here at SSS Method. If you liked it, please take a look at our free 7-lesson course, Secrets of Speaking, also available on this channel, or check out our website, sssmethod.com, for information about our premium course, 100% Presentations. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks in videos like this.